¿A dónde? ¿Qué dijiste? ¿A dónde llegamos?
Ladies and gentlemen, it's our pleasure to welcome you to Las Vegas. The local time is 9:27 a.m. Now we do ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and keep the aisle clear of your carry-on bags until we are parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Once we are parked at the gate, please be careful when opening overhead bins,
Sofi.
as baggage may have moved during landing and could fall on someone.
¿A dónde llegamos? ¿Qué dijiste?
Lo que pasa en Las Vegas queda.
At this time, you may use your cell phones. All other electronic devices must remain turned off until you are inside of the
Eso es
terminal.
hermoso, ¿sabes?
On behalf of your entire New York-based crew and American Airlines, we thank you for flying with us today. We hope to see you again soon.